Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing and bringing you my first impressions of a new lighting kit from Smallrig. And that is the RC 100C COB LED Video Light Kit. And this is really a very cool concept for a high-powered, very portable, all-in-one video lighting kit. And I actually use video lights all the time for stills photography. I just really prefer them because you get this constant light source and you can pose with the light that you're going to have on the image as opposed to a flash. I personally prefer it. In any case, here it is in this nifty case. This is a really nice solid case, and I really like that it's all contained within this, which makes the whole thing much more portable. Which is a whole part of the point of having a lighting setup like this. And just to go over some of the specifications here, it's got a 73 watt-hour charging handle grip, it's a 100 watt bicolor light, portable design, multiple control options. Anyway, those are just what's on the box there. There's a lot more to this. This is a really advanced light that does a lot of different things. But we're gonna unzip this case right here and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so right away we've got the light itself and the handle grip right there. And inside of this little hatch, looks like, oh, we have this adapter attached to the light and USB-C cable and a printed instruction manual. Well, that's actually quite nice. I like having an actual, printed instruction manual in the box. I really appreciate that. Thanks, Smallrig. Just put that all back for now, because our interest is on this light. Because our interest is on this light itself. So we have a light which is actually really lightweight. I'm surprised. I expected to pick that up and be a lot heavier, but the light itself is really nice and compact. You've got a fan in the top there. Let's see. That, a mounting thing on the bottom there. You've got the light inside of that removable hood, and then you have this diffuser which just squidges on over the top. And of course, with that adapter, as we saw earlier, you can use it with, I believe, any balance mount accessories. So it's compatible with all kinds of different lighting equipment. A lot of different mounting options and power options on here, and controls for the screen. It has a ton of features in it, and you have onboard control. You can connect it via wired connection to some external controller, or wirelessly to an app on your phone. There's just a lot you can do with this thing. I'm really excited to test it out. Now, here's our grip handle here with another V-mount on the bottom for this battery, and we will just attach this really quick. It goes, I don't know if it matters which way we have it around, but I believe it's supposed to go this way. Really nice, quick, smooth attachment action. You can actually really tighten that down, it looks like. So you can make that really solid if you need to. I'm not going to really crank it all the way down right now. But I'm going to really quick bring the battery out. And that could actually just be attached on the back of here. So if you want to just put this thing on top of a tripod or a lighting or any kind of like a light stand, you can do that. But for now, we're going to plug it into the lighting handle. There we go. It does have some charge in there. And then now we need the USB-C cable. Sorry if I'm I keep rubbing sweat off myself. It's quite warm out here. Filming this in the middle of a heat wave here in Western Washington. There. And now it should be ready to go. Oh, hello, Toby. Uh-oh, we have a dog. We have a dog incoming. We've got a dog. Hey, Toby. Hello. 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 Hi. Hi. Okay, can you sit? Lay down. Good boy. Good lie down. That's a good boy, Toby. That's a good boy. You found me. Okay, well this might complicate things. Alright. Just like that. Powered on. And rotate this to power on the light. Bye bye, Toby. Anyway, we have the light on now. You can see that's a nice diffused look. And I'm actually going to be using this light to record the rest of this video. We'll take the diffuser off really quick just to see what that looks like. Look at that. Pretty nice. That's only at 4% actually, so it goes much higher than that. Turn this dial, bring it all the way up to 100%. That's a bright light. That's a very bright light indeed, and it certainly lights me up rather nicely here, I think. So right like that, you can see how this could be used to light a scene like this. And let's just move this back here. I've got a wide angle lens here. I'm actually shooting with the Pocket 3, so the whole table here is in focus. What I really need to do is have this off screen on a light stand, but we're just testing it out right now. Oh. The fan isn't very loud at all. I doubt you can actually hear it on camera, especially at this range. It's nice and quiet. Has a whole lot of different settings on here. Yeah, you can do a lot with that. Very cool. Very cool. Anyway, that's about it for this video. This is really just to unbox and bringing my first impressions of this light. So I'm going to go ahead. I've got some other Smallrig accessories in here which I need to take a look at. So I'm going to actually use this light to record those videos as well. So you'll be able to click around here somewhere on the screen to go and watch those. And I'm going to say goodbye. Definitely stay tuned for more videos using this light and about it. So anyway, I'll see y'all again next time. Bye.